from Simply Scrapping, Narelle here, and today is day 16 of 30 days of sketches, and today's sketch is by Miss Carrie. Quite a nice sketch, I love this. Straight up, I'm not doing the mixed media in the background. There looks like ink smushing or something happening in the background. That's not happening with me. I do have two photos for the main photos, and I do have smaller ones across the bottom. I only have 3, not 4. But anyway, all sketches up for interpretation. Use them as much or as little as you like. Alright, so I am using Santa Claus Lane by Echo Park, and I'm just going to say up front, Echo Park, if you're listening, don't do such big white borders around your stuff. And I really don't like the big white borders. Thin white borders are fine, but not big white borders. And make sure they're cut evenly. Look at this. Poor Santa is right up to his arm around there, but he's got this great big thumping white border around here. So, and his foot there is nearly chopped off, so it's out of alignment. The trees, shocking. So if I was to use these, I would have to trim all the way around here to make it an even outline, because that is atrocious. The wreath, look at that. Not a fan. Anyway, that's my little whinge for today. I'm going to get on with it, and I'll be back at the end. Okay, there is my layout for day 16, and I kept it quite simple, minimal embellishments. Yeah, so what else can I say? The strip of paper down here behind these photos I moved to vertical because I don't like putting things with lots of white borders on dark patterned paper. So I wanted white behind this so that it disguised so much of the borders, and that's why I chose that white spot photo paper to go there. This not so much doesn't worry me because it does have the frame around it, so I can get away with it a little bit more there. Plus I want it to stand out a bit, but this was just, yeah, it needed something behind it, hence the spotty paper, which worked well because I just moved that strip vertical, and you can do that with sketches, change it to however you like it. So I have my band of photos down here, I have my title up here, my two photos here. My journaling will not go here because I have this embellishment cluster. My journaling is going to go down here. It's going to be very, very small. I'm probably just going to put a white piece of cardstock, very small, just with the address or the street name and location of this house. So I've done photos of this house before because this house is amazing. They have so much Christmas decorations, Christmas decorations. And I believe it is because some years ago they lost their 4-year-old daughter to some sort of cancer. I don't know if it was brain cancer or something. And ever since then they've decorated their house for Christmas. So like in honour of her, and also to raise money for a cancer charity. So it's well known in our area and our city even, and like the broader city. Yeah, and a lot of people come to see it, and it is phenomenal. So I took so many photos of this place that I'm going to scrap them all, I think, because there is so much to see, and every time you go and look you find something different and new. So anyway, that's my layout for day 16. Make sure you check out the playlist below for everyone else who is playing along with the 30 days of sketches. If you like this layout, give me the thumbs up. If you're not already a subscriber, please consider subscribing and hitting that notify bell so you know when my next video comes out. Thank you so much for watching, and until the next one, have a scrap happy day. Bye bye.